Happy Vlogmas Day 5, my friends. My child requested to have
a blueberry smoothie.
Yeah, a smoothie yesterday, but we just didn't get around to making it. So that is what we're going to make this morning, is low-carb keto smoothies. And then it's my job to tackle this at some point today, because it has gotten just like the Leaning Tower of snacks. And like, the sad part is, like, that's not full. Like, that's almost empty. Like, it just does, it needs cleaned out. So, I kind of just always keep frozen, obviously frozen everything, but frozen fruit. Specifically this triple berry blend. Almond milk, heavy cream, whipped cream. And then we've got a few options. I think I'm going to use this one. The cup's a little dirty, but I can clean it. I can find the base. Oh, there it is. This one's just a little stronger than my single serve one. The Bella.
Yes, I want to do the mega packs. How do you mega packs?
Okay, and I'm just going to pour about half full, and then just cover that with almond milk. Yeah, that looks about right. I like to make it a little more creamy, so I just add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. So I only add about a tablespoon of sweetener since the berries are already super sweet. Good job, Muscles.
Thank you. I think I'm going to a little bit like more of almond milk, a little bit.
A little more almond milk? Okay. Do you want more sweetener?
Sure. Much better.
Better? Just had to add a little bit more sweetener for him. The one that I made originally for him was like absolutely perfect taste for me, so I'm just going to make that for myself.
There's a perfect idea for today.
It is a good idea, doesn't it? Oh, Jesus. Oops. Well, I got this Vital Proteins collagen sample pack a while ago, and I've had the actual just like collagen peptides from them, and I have one, so I'm just gonna use that in there. It's original, it's unflavored. They have like a vanilla collagen creamer. There's a beauty collagen, a marine collagen. I already used the vitamin C one that came in that, and it was not good. It was not good. But I forgot that I wanted to add this to this morning. All right, ready? I haven't tasted mine yet. Is that clean? Yeah. Cheers. That was a good idea, kid. Mine's nice and creamy because I added 800 cups of heavy whipping cream. Oh my gosh, this is really good.
Same with mine. Mine's kind of creamy-ish.
That's why I add the heavy cream, because I like a creamy smoothie. This is a really good idea. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah.
So, a little change of plans. My sister invited us over to her house to watch Christmas movies and snacks. So, of course, I'm going to do that instead of clean. So, I'm going to take over some of the hard salami I bought yesterday. the almond flour, I don't know if you see them, the almond flour cookies, and then the peppermint almond flour cookies. So yeah, we're going to go to her house instead of deal with that mess. That'll get done this week. I know, I promise. Basically saying that to myself because it needs to get done. I just keep piling snacks on snacks on snacks. But yeah. So it kind of turns out that today hasn't been an amazing mental health day for me. I've just been like sad, kind of down, very low. So it kind of works out that I'm going over to my sister's to kind of get out of this mood, I guess. Christmas movies always make me feel better. And then just like hanging out at her house with her and her pups is always fun. But then I just found out that one of our dogs has worms and I now need to go get that taken care of as well. So yeah, I'm kind of glad today took a different turn than I had expected it to. Just because it was not a super fun day for me. I don't know. I kind of rested a lot. I tried to do different things to make myself feel better. I had my cup of coffee. I sat down. I read a book. It was just nothing was bringing me out of my rut that I was in. And I mean, I still feel kind of like bleh and, you know, not in the best mood, but we're here. We're still going. Yeah, so we're here at Walmart. We're going to pick up a few more snack things and then some stuff for my pup. But yeah, if you're having a down day or something like that, I'm here for you. I get it. And it's so hard to bring yourself out of, especially like if people ask, what can I do to help you? I don't even know what to do to help myself. So I'm just going to keep trying different things and maybe something will work. I don't know. But let's go get this stuff. Boo! We're having a Grinch Christmas, so this is like, what is it called? The gold mine. The gold mine of the Grinch. Came up with these. Those are so cute. Like instant mood booster. It's a good find, Shazay.
And it's the book of how the Grinch stole Christmas.
Smart. Hi. Jesus, come back.
Auntie, where's your tree at?
Sweet. Look at how tiny they are. They're little wee babes. So we just got home, super tired, really fun time with my sister, so really glad I got out of the house. Felt much better to be out of the house than stay in my funk that I was in. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.